Hello, my name is Jeremy Sally. I'm from the Yellowhead 4-H Club. This is my third year in 4-H, and this year my project is a beef carcass. Today I will be showing you how to make the world's best vegetarian omelet. I chose this recipe because it is a very quick, easy breakfast recipe, and it is made from almost all BC ingredients. Now I'm here in our garden to pick cherry tomatoes. I've already picked peppers and spinach from my grandma's garden. She lives just up the road from us. These hens will be providing us with the eggs we need for our omelet. Now I have all my BC ingredients gathered. I have eggs from our own hens. Butter is from Blackwell Dairy and Kamloops. Our cheddar cheese is from D. Dutchman Dairy in Sicamous. And then peppers, cherry tomatoes, spinach is all from our gardens. The other ingredients you will need are salt and pepper, which are not from BC, and then the supplies you will need are a spatula, a frying pan, and a cutting board. Before handling food, it's important to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Now I will start by chopping the vegetables for the omelet. With the tomatoes, you want to cut them in half, lay them on the flat side, and then cut them in half again. For the spinach, I will be using my mom's Tupperware dicing machine. If you don't have one of these, you can just dice them how you normally would. Now I will cut up and clean out my peppers. It's important to remember to cut away from your hands. Now that my peppers are chopped, I will put them into the dicing machine and cut them up. Remember when using a stove to always have adult supervision and to be aware of hot surfaces. The next step is to melt the butter into the frying pan. So I scoop out the butter into the frying pan and turn it on to medium. Now while that is melting, we can crack our eggs into the bowl and whisk them with a fork. Now we will season that with salt and pepper. Now we whisk it with a fork. Now we will add our egg mixture to our frying pan. You want to try and get it evenly spread out in the pan. Now that that's done, we will wait until it's partially cooked to add the rest of our stuff. Now that the bottom is partially cooked and the top is still raw, we will add the ingredients we cut up earlier. now going to attempt to flip the omelet. The second side will cook a lot faster than the first side. It should only take about a minute. Now it's ready to take out of the pan and put onto my plate. It's now ready to eat.